Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Cardano ADA. ADA has finally done it, and the next few hours are very important, and I will explain as to why that's the case. If we're looking at the markets, guys, once again, tremendous amount of green across the board. Bitcoin has gone above $40,000. The month of December is going absolutely crazy for the entire crypto space. But if we're looking at ADA, it's up 2.6% on the daily time frame. And the most exciting thing is that we're seeing Cardano above that 40 cents mark, approaching that 41 cents a price in the next few minutes ahead of us. So if we're looking at the price, like I said, it's up 2.8% in USD comparative. It's down 1% in Bitcoin comparative. The reason as to why it's down right now in Bitcoin comparative is the exact reason I've been talking over the past few days. I was expecting that if Bitcoin were to push towards the upside, we will see the dominance index pushing up as well. So projects will be down in Bitcoin comparative. So that explains everything. Market cap currently sitting at $14.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 313 million. So it's been quite some time since we've seen this 300 million 24-hour trading volume. So we will definitely take that. But let's take a brief look at Cardano, see what is happening and why the next few hours are very important. Before I get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as I am recording this update for you, you can see BTC is sitting at a brand new yearly high as we speak, and we're closing in at 41k very soon. This is insane, guys. This is absolute madness. We're in a bull market. If anyone comes and says we're not in a bull market, let's wake up and look at BTC and look at a lot of crypto projects compared to previous few months, and you could really see that yes, we actually are in a bull trend. And I think this is just the absolute start before the real fun begins. But if we're looking at the charts for Cardano, you can see, like I said, the next few hours are very important because we have seen ADA once again go above this resistance, and again, that is to be expected because the overall market momentum is mega bullish right now, which of course is going to have Cardano push above this massive level of resistance. But we're about to see ADA actually close this and make this into a support. If that happens, let's be prepared for what we've been waiting for quite some time, pretty much since, guys, October of last year, because this has been a massive battle for this resistance, and I think this is about to come to an end. So like I said, the next few hours are very important. If the price of Cardano is able to go to this 42.3 cents and actually break out of there, I'm convinced that we're about to see a new yearly high very soon, which again is going to bring in a lot of excitement. And speaking about excitement, like I said, these resistances, once the price actually stays above here, it's organic eyes, especially from a massive whales analyst that kind of understand where the price is, what the significance of these resistances are. This attracts more people. And the ecosystem, I've spoken about this in my previous update. People don't really understand what the ecosystem part is, some of them, and then they leave hate comments. But I'm not saying for majority of the people. Majority of the people show tremendous amount of support, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. But you gotta be looking at the ecosystem as well, because Cardano ecosystem, in my opinion, is being overlooked right now by a massive margin. These projects are here to obviously compete with Ethereum. That's why they're quote unquote called ETH killers. We haven't seen ADA get a lot of attention at this last few months because of the fact that there's massive amounts of FUD that was around the project. But I think this is going to be one of the ones that a lot of people will be looking back at in the future and saying like, wow, this was way undervalued. And like I've said, take a look at the ecosystem, take a look at the growth of the project. The amount of projects being launched on ADA's ecosystem really speaks for itself, and that's where the excitement part really comes. And we're going to take it one step at a time. As far as the price is concerned, it has finally done what we're waiting for. But like I said, the real test is now to close above this resistance and actually hit 42.3 cents. If it's able to break out of that resistance, we could be hitting a new yearly high in the upcoming days ahead of us. Let me know down below what you guys think, and of course thank you to each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous support. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.